An important step in the filling process in the beverage industry is the cleaning of glass bottles. After depalletizing and unpacking, the bottles are fed to the cleaning machine on an incoming conveyor belt. In order to optimally process the bottles, two different programs are provided: a new glass and a used glass program. New glass requires a lower drive factor than used glass due to its coating and the associated lower friction coefficient. A too high drive factor can lead to a too strong dynamic pressure. This in turn can lead to bouncing of the bottles in the feed system of the machine and thus to machine stops. Several drive factors are therefore generally used for the production process, depending on the type of bottle being processed. It is therefore essential to distinguish between these bottle types. Using the Inspector P621 2D Vision camera, in combination with the Intelligent Inspection SICK App Space SensorApp, the stream of bottles is automatically classified into new and old glass in the feed area of the cleaning machine. To do so, example images are first used to train neural networks in the cloud. The intelligent algorithm can then be used to evaluate images directly in the camera. This makes automatically switching between different programs for new and used glass child's play. The advantages at a glance: increased machine availability, improvement of MTBT and MTBF, optimized water consumption due to avoidance of restarts, integration into the machine controller and HMI.